like the rain. Sometimes you don't know which cloud you come from. Where did you start? What were you part of initially? Like the rain, sometimes you feel like falling. Without hitting the ground eventually.